In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser high CPU and memory usage. Welcome to this helpful Brave browser performance tutorial. If you've noticed Brave using more CPU power or memory than expected, you're not alone. Over time, browser settings, extensions, cached data, and outdated software can contribute to increased resource usage, which may affect overall performance. In this guide, I'll walk you through several settings and maintenance tasks that can help optimize Brave and improve its efficiency. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration area, where you can adjust various features that influence browser performance. After entering the Settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left side and select System. This section contains options related to how Brave uses your computer's hardware and manages background processes. Within the System settings, locate the option labeled Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. Make sure this setting is enabled. Allowing Brave to properly manage background applications can help maintain a more consistent browser experience and prevent unnecessary performance fluctuations when reopening the browser. Next, find the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and ensure that it is also enabled. Hardware acceleration allows Brave to use your computer's graphics processor for certain tasks, reducing the workload placed on the CPU and helping improve performance during everyday browsing activities. Once you've verified those settings, return to the navigation panel and click Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Extensions can consume system resources, especially if many of them are running simultaneously in the background. Review the list of installed extensions and remove any that you no longer use. Keeping only the extensions you actively need can reduce unnecessary background activity and help lower overall resource consumption. After cleaning up your extensions, return to the left sidebar and select About Brave. This page automatically checks for browser updates. Confirm that you're running the latest version of Brave. Browser updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and optimizations that can help reduce CPU and memory usage. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security from the sidebar. In this section, select Delete Browsing Data. When the window appears, choose the option to view additional settings. Set the time range to All Time, then proceed with deleting the data from your device. Removing accumulated browsing data, cached files, and other stored information can help improve browser responsiveness and reduce unnecessary resource usage. Once you've completed these adjustments, Brave should operate more efficiently and provide a smoother browsing experience with reduced CPU and memory consumption. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.